So the most important part of fitting an XT is actually preparing the XT for the Pro to go in the other end. And what that means is that when we extend this will determine the length of the overlap of the XT. So if I want the first XT and the Pro to overlap by this much, I can lock that off there, check that that clamp is going to hold tight, so just squeeze it there, make sure it's not going to twist, and then when we put the XT on, we can hear that overlap. Then we lock. Then we check there's no spin, and then we go up, and then we can pull that out. Okay, good.